In this video, I will show you how to make 3D stroke logo animation in Adobe After Effects without using any plugins. Let's create a new composition to name it logo and width 1920px, height 1080px, and click OK. Then drag your logo to composition and press S on the keyboard to adjust the logo. Click Layer and go up to select Auto Trace option and click to check Apply to New Layer. Then go Effect and Presets and search Stroke option, drag to Auto Stroke Layer and hide Logo Layer. Going Effect Control Path A to Mask 1 and check All Mask. Paint Style to reveal original image and brush size to be 75%. Then click End Stopwatch to 0% and Timeline Indicator drag to 7 seconds and 100% to be end. And press U on the keyboard and select both keyframes and press F9 on the keyboard. Go to the graph editor, click right side and influence to 70% and check preview. Right-click to Auto Trace Layer and click Pre-Compose and name it Auto Traced. Click OK, then make it 3D. You don't show this to click Toggle Switch button to unhide and click to make 3D. Going up to Layer New and click Camera and make Preset to 35mm and click OK. Then click Orbit around Cursor tool to drag logo up to make 3D and check Preview. Then make more realistic your logo to make Duplicate Layer and click Auto Trace Layer and press Ctrl+D on the keyboard to duplicate layer and press P on the keyboard to position set to -1 and click Layer to again press Ctrl+D on the keyboard to duplicate layer to 18 times according your logo and select second layer and 19th layer and press P on the keyboard to position and follow the process. Then double-click the 20th layer and go Effect to Search Fill, drag to the layer, and going Effect Control to set color according your logo and click OK. Then go back and you can see your logo color change. Go up Layer New and select Solid, name it BG. BG layer under the All layer and going Effect to search Gradient Ramp and drag to BG layer, set color accordingly your logo and go Effect to search Fill, drag to 20th layer, set color to black, click OK. Then again search to CC Radial Fast Blur, drag to layer and click Center Point to set your logo and amount 75%. Then click second layer and search Fill, drag to the layer and set color to light your logo color. Then click Orbit around Cursor option and drag your logo for center. Click Camera Layer to transform and click Stopwatch to Point of Interest, Position and Orientation, and Timeline Indicator to Beginning. And make your logo 3D by Orbit option. Adjust your logo any position you like it and check Preview. Click second auto trace layer and select to 20th layer and press T on the keyboard to opacity. Let's create a keyframes. Click timeline indicator, drag to 7 seconds. Then create keyframes and opacity to 0. Then timeline indicator to 610 and click to create keyframes and opacity to 100%. Click PNG logo layer and press T on the keyboard to open opacity. Click stopwatch, create keyframe opacity to 0% and timeline indicator to 7 seconds and opacity 100%. Check preview. Then create shadow effect to search drop shadow and drag to PNG logo layer. Then go effect control direction according your logo distance 75% and softness 200% and check preview. Thanks for watching.